You know when they say Guyanese people just curry everything? I saw no lies told. Come in here, let me curry some macaroni. Alright, let's start by marinating our chicken. It has already been washed. I'm using boneless chicken thighs. Here I'll be using some chicken bouillon, chicken seasoning, garlic and onion powder, some salt, black pepper, and some complete seasoning. I added that to the chicken and then I went in with 2 tablespoons of fresh green seasoning. You want to mix well to combine and just set it aside to marinate for about an hour or two. Next, I have here some curry powders, geera, masala, and some turmeric. I will add 1 tablespoon of fresh green seasoning to that and some water and mix to a paste-like consistency. Here to a preheated skillet, I added some oil and in with some garlic and onions. Give that a stir and then we will come in with that curry paste that we mixed up. You want to give it a good toss and allow this to go for about 4 to 5 minutes or so. You want to cook it thoroughly before adding any other ingredient. Once the curry is thoroughly cooked, we will now come in with our chicken. You want to give this a good toss, make sure it's well coated in that curry, and then we will sit the lid on and allow it to, go until all the juices are released. Once the juices are released, you want to just allow the juices to evaporate a bit before we add the rest of the ingredients. Now in with our macaroni, I'm using elbows and then I will add some onions, garlic, thyme, pepper, scallion, parsley. Give that a good mix and allow it to go for about 2 minutes or so to lock those flavors in. Here's where you want to come in with some water and we'll also add some seasoning for flavor and taste. Remember, you can taste and adjust the seasoning to suit your own preference. You can also use your own seasonings. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. Once everything is well combined, you want to sit the lid on and allow this to go until your macaroni is nice and tender. Tender to your liking. The last 5 minutes, this is optional, but I like to come in with some mixed vegetables. Give that a good toss and allow it to continue cooking. And here you have it, my version of curried macaroni. Now let me play this up and show you all the finished product. So today I just paired this with a fresh garden salad, but let me tell you, I was itching to add some rice on the side because I love my rice. But it was so good, I truly enjoyed it. And my daughter, she said it was a 10-10. She actually cleaned her plate, you hear me? And yeah, like I said, give the recipe a try and let me know what you guys think. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.